Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is December 12th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to these charts and see what we see. Kind of get through this right quick. I heard my bicycle is ready to be picked up and all. So let's see what we see here. On this quarterly chart, we still see green. We're above this yearly R1, almost to an R2, still below that. We're looking very bullish at this time on this quarterly chart. On this monthly chart, we're still above the 9-10 moving average. That's this line right here. Above that line, we say we are in a bull market, and we are looking very bullish at this time. We had a doji, last month, and this month we have actually no confirmation, nothing to stand. This thing is willing to turn over. It almost went to an R2 level and looking like it's going higher. So it still looking very bullish here on this monthly chart for this month and all. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, what we see here on this weekly chart is all-time highs. This thing did go above an R1 this week and push back down, but it is looking very strong and very, very bullish here at this time. This is the Dow. The Dow is only 30 stocks. It's a smaller index compared to the Russell, definitely, of course, which is 2,000. The NASDAQ, which is 100. I'm looking at the NASDAQ, not the composite, the NASDAQ 100, and also the SPY, S&P 500, which is 500 stocks. So again, but the thing is, what's been going on here that's kind of strange. The Dow and the Russell are the ones that are making all-time highs. The NASDAQ and the SPY are struggling. That lets you know that money is being rotated around to different sectors at this time. It wouldn't be a bad idea to check the sectors and see which sectors are actually hot at this time and see where that money is rolling to. You can see it some of the Dow stocks, and you can also see, based on my review, some of the Russell stocks at this time are getting money flowed into those. And again, we are having a hard time with the NASDAQ, which I like trading, and the SPY at this time, if you're a bullish trader. So that's what we see here, and looking at all three of them. And that's why I kind of do this. I see all three, what's going on. But let's go ahead and go down to this daily chart and see what we see there. On this daily chart, as we can see, that wick that was formed today was caused by just this one candle, this red candle, this little push down. And of course, this week we had two real strong days, yesterday, Wednesday, and this was from that FOMC. I think they had a meeting this week, and we had a pretty good push up, and then just some profit taking here today. But come next week, what I expect is we will be opening above pivot, which is this white line right here. So I kind of expect this market to continue going higher here on this Dow. That's why, again, we need to take a look and see where that money is going, so we can jump in and catch some of that, and that'll help protect some of the money that we're losing on some of the other positions, just me go doing some scalping on some of those stocks But that's it. No trade recommendation. Just thinking a little bit out loud here, looking at what I'm seeing. But I hope everybody had a great week. I hope everybody have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. This is Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.